What's the deal, man? Today is a very special day. Today, you feel me? I want to get turned. I want to yell right now, but we just gonna keep it on a P level. We just gonna keep it normal. Hey, man, say, man, I got something for y'all right here, man. Ooh. That's that Rico's 360 surf brush right here, man. Medium, nice pull, good bristles. I'll show y'all a real up close video on it real quick so y'all can see how it is. Boy, great. So today's video, I'm basically coming out that Rico surf rag right here. Oh yeah, that's that Rico surf rag and a surf brush. You get you a Rico surf rag and a surf brush? What? What? You mean to tell me I can come out of a silky and I can brush at the same time? With a Rico's 360 surf brush? I got the bundle deals on the website right now. Make sure y'all go cop up, man. I just officially launched my brushes, man. Y'all don't know how I feel. Y'all just don't know how I feel, man. I am so proud of myself in the middle of a quarantine. You feel me? In the middle of what's going on, I'm still pushing for y'all. I'm still, you feel me, doing what I gotta do. This is my second drop of the year, man. My second drop of the year and plenty more to go. Y'all know where it all started. It all started with that black silky, man. These are this is the legendary edition right here. Hey, man, like I said, legendary edition, those are sold out. They may not come back, they may come back. They're legendary edition. So, but these silkies right here are still available right now on the site. Nice silky. Y'all see how I got my hair laid down. And today, I'm basically gonna be brushing my hair with this brush right here and laying it down with, you know, y'all knows best, Rico's 360 rag. Hey, man. So once I lay my waves down with my Rico 360 rag, and I get my brush session in with this just to show you how this brush is pulling, get some oil. Stop the oil in. Lathers up real well. You see it. So now that I got the oil in, y'all are gonna be the first people to see. Y'all are about to be the first people to see me brush with that Rico's 360 surf brush right now. Let's get it, man. Attacking that weak side right now. overall great pool. Y'all know I ain't gonna come out with no BS. Y'all ain't seen no bristles fall out yet. Ain't no bristles gonna fall out, so we not even gonna say yet. Crazy. Well, don't get it messed up, man. It lock in that crown too. Just use them corners. Use that corners to lock in on that crown. Definitely gonna be using this brush to take me on to the rest of my wolf, man. Honestly, you just can't put it down, bro. Like it's got a major pull to it. Like it'll make you just keep brushing, bro. It's so smooth. It's a true medium. It'll just make you just keep brushing, bro. I can't put it down. This man, it's so much stuff I can say about that, man. I just want to show you all the performance of the brush that it has. I got my hair laid down. You feel me? Now we're gonna just use the lay down plastic bag just to get the frizzy hairs, because that is a medium. It's not a soft brush. So we're gonna use the plastic bag. Lay them soft. Oh yeah, don't trip, there's plenty more to come where that came from, man. This is just the beginning, man. This is just the beginning. Prices and everything like that will be listed on the website. We gotta go cop, I got the pack. You get you a brush and a do-rag for a nice price. Or you could just get a do-rag and a brush, however you wanna do it, or get your brush later, or get your do-rag now, or get your brush, you feel me? Get your brush right now, get your do-rag later. Y'all know what I mean, man. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna go ahead and rag up and throw in that Rico's merch rag right here. And I'm gonna show y'all the results. I'm gonna show y'all the results of what it looks like when you not only busting out of a Rico's rag, but also after brushing your hair with a Rico's 360 surf brush like this. So that's that Rico's 360 surf brush, and I got a Rico's 360 rag right here. So we're gonna go ahead and tie that bad boy on, nice and long strings, just like that. Just Spread them out. Make sure you spread them out and tie it on just like how I'm doing it. So it could be flat, so you can really see the 360 on the piece of the rope. On the ropes, you can see the piece. Nice 360 surf rag right there. Rico's 360 surf rag. Tie it down, just like that. Give it some hang time. Let it hang down so that merch off. You feel me? Get your brush so you can follow along with the brush session just like me. It's a nice palm, you feel me, medium bristle pocket brush. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. You feel me? Alright y'all, make sure y'all turn on make sure y'all like the video, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. You feel me? Hey, I'm about to go ahead and unrag and show y'all the results of using that Rico's 360 surf brush right here, man. Y'all see it? So this is the results. Oh yeah, and by the way, we coming out that Rico surf rag right here too. Y'all can get it all on the website right now. They officially launched today. Oh yeah, they busting, they in there. Y'all see the crown coming together? Y'all see everything laid down, locked in place? You see it? Rico's 360 surf brush. www.ricos360surfbrush. Rico's 360 surf brush. Link in the description below. Make sure y'all go cop up now. Medium. Great pull. Perfect brush for you.